hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Usually I don't vlog in nights. ये खाली जो टाइटल है हमारा हेलोजन बल्ब के ऊपर, और रात में कैसी दिखती है गाड़ी, किसी ने मेरे को कमेंट करके बोला था रात में दिखाओ गाड़ी कैसे दिखती है. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स एंड द क्रोम इज़ लाइक, आई डोंट नो हाउ इज़ द कैमरा क्वालिटी ऑफ देयर, एंड द क्रोम लुक लाइक sparkling in my eye. And I don't want to talk too much. This is how the instrument cluster look like, and this is basically the street of Carter Road, and it is fully light up. I don't know the camera is doing a justice or no. Let's roll from this place and let's go somewhere, a place where there is less light, so that I can show you the best view of the halogen bulb. And I'm in the stock bulb which Benelli Imperiale has it, and let's roll this. So far I don't know about the camera quality, and I know where there is less light in this area, so the video is going to be really short and a quick update on this halogen bulb, whether you wanted to upgrade it or you want to change the halogen bulb, or you need to have an extra accessories like the focus lights and all. So right now this area is a very low street light, and my headlight is on low beam, so there are buildings on my right and my left, so there are light coming from both the side. So I'll go on the other side of it, and the other side will be no street light at all. Alright, so right now this is low beam and now this is high beam, so you can see the difference right now. This is high beam, this is low beam. I don't know about the camera quality and how does it look, but seems fine, yeah. So I'll ride and I'll let you know how does it feel, whether I can see the potholes and all in low beam. Okay, I can see. So there are a lot of focus coming from front. Alright, I'm still running on low beam, and now this is high beam. This is low beam and high beam. Alright, but in high beam I can see rarely the lower part of the ground, but looks good. So this was a short video on the Imperiale 400 on the stock halogen bulb, whether you need to upgrade on the aftermarket lights. You can focus lights and all, we say that if you need to upgrade on it, so you can definitely go for it, but I was okay with the stock head. I was okay with the stock lights, and so far the bike is performing really well. And last video I have tested on, the mileage of Imperiale, so I got exactly 35 kilometers on a liter, so I'm very much impressed, and it's value for money. Chal, bye bye, see you, take care.